class for today. On our data analytics tip for today, we are focusing on how to calculate and automate our income tax, the Paye in Ghana for 2021. Welcome to my channel. This is only an extract of our data analytics training. But for now, let's get started. I've opened my Office 365 Excel and I have my simple income tax table from Ghana Revenue Authority 2021, and I have a small HR data on the side, but we will be focusing on the table on the top as shown. We're going to be automating our tax calculation. If function is used in doing this simple calculation, you have your if, then we make reference to cell D5 minus 319. The 319 represents the chargeable income, and if it's greater than 0, we introduce the min function. It means we are finding the minimum of your chargeable income minus your 319 and 100 cedis. The 100 cedis just represents the next 100 cedis in your chargeable income, bracket close. And if you have all this, what should Excel do? You should just multiply it by the tax rate within that band, which is 5%. You place your comma in there, and if this does not meet it, it should be 0. And this is the whole formula you need to know on how to calculate and automate your Paye. All you have to do is just copy this particular formula, just like I'm trying to do there. You copy and you just do a plus and you paste. Bingo! As simple as that. So after you paste, you just add your next band. Our first band was 319. Our next band here is 419. So introduce your 419 there. And here I bring in my 419. And what will be the next band, which is 120, as shown there. So I introduce my 120. And what is the tax rate there? It's 10%. So introduce your 10%. And bingo. All you need to do is to add another plus and paste what we did before. So now we move to the next band. So from 419, we are moving to 539, sorry. As simple as that. This shouldn't be complicated to a new one, but if you need more detail into that, we can join our class and you can know more. So we are on the 539. We just input your 539 here. Then we look for the band. The next band that you can see from our table is 3,000. So you just put there your 3,000 and the tax rate there is 17.5. As simple and straightforward. Plus, and you just paste the same formula again, and what you do is you introduce a new band. Our newest band is the 3539 as shown on the Ghana Revenue Authorities table. So we just input it 3539. That is how powerful Excel can be. And what band are we working with now? Our next band would be our 16,461, as simple as that. And our tax rate for that is 25%. As simple as that. So I'll quickly run through the next one. And the same way, introduce your plus and you paste and you make your minor changes just like I'm doing over there. It's very simple. It's a 20,000 band, and something different about a 20,000 band is that after 20,000 there is no comparison, so I take off the minimum from there because I'm not comparing it with anything. So I introduce my 20,000, so my D5 minus my 20,000 again. So it is the only part where you don't have the min function introduced, and our tax rate there is 30%. And your number are for. This is just simple and straightforward, and anybody can do this. But if you want to know more, see you in our next class. You can leave your comment section below, and you can share this to any of your HR enthusiasts or finance or accounting department who needs to have this. If you need a template like this, you can DM me and we can take it up from there. Thank you for joining this class. See you in our next class and see you tomorrow on our